Ever wish that you could better manage your money without any stress, confusion, and hours of manually inputting data into spreadsheets? Well, today I'm sharing some of the best personal finance and money apps that I've personally used so you can skip the trial and error and use ones that will actually help you with your money goals. The first app on the list is the new ShareSight app that was just released at the end of last month. As a ShareSight user for nearly 10 years now, this has been a long time coming. ShareSight previously had an app on Android, which was pretty terrible if you ask me, but they've just launched a brand new app for both Apple and Android users that has revamped the whole UI, which is a welcome change to the old one. Right now, the app itself is quite bare bones at the moment, as it essentially only allows you to view the performance of your portfolio within your ShareSight account on your phone, whereas previously you would need to be logged in via the desktop to see all of this information. It is still really handy, I will admit, to be able to access and look through the performance of my portfolio on the go now instead of having to log into the website. Unfortunately, you can't add new trades on the app, which is a bit of a shame, although I'm hopeful that they might come out with that functionality in the future. You also can't run any reports, although you would probably want to do that on the desktop. But overall, this is a significant improvement to having no app for Apple users, so I'll take it. It's also completely free to use, and you don't have to have a paid plan with ShareSight to gain access. So even if you're on the free plan, you can also gain access to the app. The second app is Gather. This is one of the newest personal finance apps in Australia, and it's already pushing the category forward. It's built to help you see, shape, and grow your wealth from your phone. What really impressed me is that the moment you connect your accounts through open banking, you instantly see your full wealth history visualized on a chart. No other app that I've tested does this, and that immediate historical view is a genuine wow moment, and it really gives you a clear sense of your financial progress. Gather syncs with over 100 Australian banks securely, giving you a consolidated view of your accounts and transactions. That's especially useful if, like me, you have money spread across multiple different bank accounts. It offers powerful insights into your income and spending habits. One feature I really value is the savings rate feature, which shows exactly how much of your income you're keeping each month. Another highlight is the rules engine, which lets you automatically categorize and tag transactions. Once set up, Gather applies your rules to both past and future transactions, saving a lot of time. It also includes a daily brief with live ASX and global market updates, plus finance news, so you stay informed without needing multiple apps. For your stocks and cryptos, you can currently manually add holdings, as direct syncing isn't live yet, but it is coming in the future. Your stock and crypto prices update every 15 minutes, giving you near real-time portfolio tracking. You can also add all of your liabilities, like your mortgage or car loans, giving you a full view of your net worth. A powerful insight that I used to track within Google Sheets, but this app is definitely a step up. One unique feature with Gather is its tax return assistant. All you'll need to do is select the tax deductions that are relevant to you in your job, and then it automatically scans the transactions to suggest potential deductions, making it much easier to find claims at tax time compared to scrolling through all of your bank statements. There is a 5-week free trial, then afterwards it's $14.99 a month or $9.99 if you sign up to an annual plan. Overall, Gather is designed to help you grow financially whilst saving time on money admin. For an app only a few months old, it's evolving quickly, and I'm excited to see what's next. The next app is GetReminded, and it's a new free-to-use mobile app which claims that it can save families $3,000 per year on their household bills and contracts by sending them early reminders and encouraging them to shop around to different providers and switch. The app allows its users to enter the renewal dates or simply review dates for bills with no fixed end dates for numerous policies, from your household insurance, car insurance, mobile phone plans, internet bills, and of course, your mortgage. If you've ever come across the term loyalty tax or lazy tax, This app is essentially trying to solve that problem. The lazy tax is essentially a hidden financial penalty consumers like you and I pay for not regularly shopping around, negotiating, and upgrading to the best new deal. The ACCC previously released findings from its inquiry into mortgage prices, showing that just 11% of mortgage holders with variable rates took the time to haggle for a better deal. The ACCC found that existing borrowers with average sized mortgages could save at least $850 or even more. All they had to do is ask, but unfortunately the majority didn't. So I think there is a lot of value in this app, but I would be wary of the cheaper policy options that they show within the app. Whilst you're under no obligation to sign up for them, it is most likely where the app is making its money from through referral commissions. There's a pretty common saying that if you're not paying for the product, then you are the product. So I would be making sure that you do your own due diligence into which deals you should be signing up for and take what the app suggests to you with a grain of salt. The next app is Frollo, and similar to Gather, it allows you to connect your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, superannuation, and investments into a single interface where you can monitor your spending. It aims to provide you with a complete view of your net worth, but I find that these features are slightly lacking behind Gather, as it doesn't have the ability to include your cryptocurrency, and stock holdings don't update in value and is just a static figure, so you would need to update those on a regular basis. One of the strong points with Frollo is its automation features. From a budgeting perspective, Frollo automatically categorizes your transactions for you. It allows you to set savings goals and even sends bill reminders. One downside though is that I found it lacks customization. For example, you can't create your own categories, which means tailoring the app to fit your specific budget isn't really an option with this app. But if you're happy with the categories the app comes with, it can streamline your budgeting and finances so that you can quickly understand where your money is going. Frollo is completely free to use, which is pretty amazing for the robustness of the features that they've included in the app, and they actually don't monetize the app at all. The way that they make money is actually by selling the technology, the same as they put into the app, to other businesses like banks and fintech companies. The next app is known as WeMoney. WeMoney is a money app launched a few years ago that gives you a holistic view of your financial health. Like many others, it lets you link multiple bank accounts, credit cards, investment accounts, and superannuation. Now, one of my favorite features and one that I still use to this date each month is the credit score tracking. It provides your actual Equifax and Experian scores automatically each month, saving me from having to request them individually. You guys will know that I'm a big fan of using and churning through credit cards, so it's important for me to know what my credit score is on a month-to-month basis. The app is totally free, although they do have a $9.99 per month Pro desktop version. I haven't used it myself, but it's marketed as a more powerful version of the mobile app. The last app, surprisingly, is one that was released by the ATO. Now, this app doesn't allow you to budget or link your bank accounts, but it does let you access and manage your tax lodgements and super accounts on the go. But what I've been using it for is to keep a record of all of my own personal deductible expenses throughout the year. This way, I'm not scrambling at the end of the financial year to get all of my receipts and deductions in order. You can pretty easily add new deductions on the go, attach receipts, and select the expense type. It also has a range of tools and calculators to help you ensure your tax returns are correct before you actually lodge them. Personally, I haven't found a lot of value in these, but they're there for you to use. So those are all of the personal finance apps that I've used in the past that might be of benefit to you. I will leave links to everything down in the description below. And if you have enjoyed the video and found any value at all, make sure to hit that like button down below, subscribe to the channel for more content like this in the future, and let me know what money app I might have missed on this list that you use that I haven't covered as well, because I'm always looking for new apps that help me better manage my money. Anyway, YouTube thinks that you might like this video next. Otherwise, I'll see you in another video in the future. Now, if you're interested in learning about the optimal order that you should be handling your money each time you get paid, then make sure you check out this video right here.